Welcome. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a stunning thumbnail without the use of expensive software. As a matter of fact, you'll be making it free of cost. So stay tuned. Welcome, my name is Terence, and on this channel we motivate, we entertain, and we discuss anything that will help us to grow gradually together. Our passion is music and singing, but from time to time we do this type of videos. So like, share and subscribe, and remember that there are show notes in the description below, so you can check those out as well. So the first thing that you want to do is to take a proper picture of yourself. I am going to assume that you have already taken a proper picture of yourself to use on your thumbnail. But if you're doing a thumbnail for your YouTube videos, then you want a thumbnail that someone will click on. So you want a thumbnail that has some sort of emotion on your face, showing what your video is about, so that you can get the individual excited to click on your thumbnail. So you want to intentionally take pictures of yourself specifically for your thumbnail. I'm assuming you already know this. That is the reason why you're watching this video. So let's get into it. Okay, so I am going to find a picture that I took of myself recently. So let me do that. These are thumbnails that I've already taken, but I am yet to use. So what you want to do, you want to right click on the one that you like, and you go to edit with 3D Paint. So my scenario, I am going to remove the background from this picture. Okay, so as you can see, I have a green screen of these acoustic foams behind me. So what you do, you open, you right click and you go to Paint 3D. Okay, or you can open Paint 3D first and then navigate to the picture that you want. Okay, you go to Magic, select, and you bring the edges as close as possible. Okay, so you will left click. Alright, then you go to next. Alright, so this is a little bit easy for me because I'm in black, and because my background is totally green screen, I have a good background. So you want to ensure that when you desire to remove the background from a picture, you want to ensure that you have solid color behind you, preferably green. So as you can see, usually sometimes you have to press remove to remove some little edges that are left over, depending on the type of background that you had. Then you probably would have to use the remove button and cut out where you want to cut out, like that, and you would cut it out like that. But in my case, I don't have anything to cut out. Okay, and sometimes it's a case where you need to add something that it is not seen, so you would just draw a line over whatever you want it to add back. So if it takes out something that it's not supposed to take out, you just touch the spot, or you just draw a line as the instructions are suggesting here. Okay, so 3D Paint is good to use. Then you go to done. Alright, hope this is helping you so far. Then what you want to do, you go to make sticker, and you press to apply with this little ticket here. When it comes up, and it will come over here. And what you do after this is that you're going to hold on your left click with no space and draw it across. Okay, and then that is to highlight everything here, and then you're going to press delete. Okay, so that is gone. So now the background is white, but you don't want the background to be white, you want the background to be transparent. So what you do is that you go over to canvas and you set transparent canvas. Say take it off and put it on. So this is actually the size of this canvas right now, and this is a little bit big. So for YouTube, ideally you want your picture size to be 1920 by 1080p. So, but we can always adjust that after, but we can do it from here. Can do it from here. So that's actually 1920 by 1080p. Alright, you go to stickers, you go to add, alright, and you just pull it up, the edges up until it is in. Alright, so that's your 1920 by 1080p photo. And then you want to go to menu, save as image, and you are going to ensure that the save as type is PNG and not JPEG. So that is important. You want to ensure that it is PNG and not JPEG. Okay, so thumbnail for test. Save it somewhere on the desktop for the time being. Okay, save. Alright, so after you do that, the next thing that you want to do now, you're going to go to your browser. My browser is Google Chrome, and you are going to go to pixlr.com/editor. Okay, so that's pixlr.com/editor. Okay, and it's a nice free tool. And you go to create new. So let me bring it up a little bit so you can see clearly, in case you're not seeing it clearly. Okay, so that's it. So go to create new, and when you go to create new, it has all the various sizes that you need. So this is YouTube size, this is YouTube size for your YouTube banner, this is 1920 by 1080p, and this is for your YouTube videos. Okay, and it has other sizes like Instagram, Facebook cover size. So this is a nice tool. So in this case, we are trying to make a thumbnail for YouTube. So we will select the 1920 by 1080p and go to create. You can title it from here if you so desire. Alright, thumbnail test, thumbnail for YouTube. Okay, and you go to create. Okay, so if it's a little bit big, you can always just roll your mouse and hold on control. Alright, so first thing that we want to do is add a white background. So I already have some photos that I have bought from Deposit Photos, so I'm just going to use one of those. So I go to pictures, I search for my Deposit Photos folder, and you can use whatever color background you so desire, but in my case I'm going to use plain white. So open. Alright, and that comes out wide enough as covering the entire size of the 920 by 1080p. Alright, so that's one layer. So next layer that I want to add now is my photo that I just saved, and that will save to my desktop. Thumbnail for test, open. Wow, and that's it right there. So say you want to add something else, add plus image. Alright, you want to attract some people by showing them something with some money on it. So that can be another layer that you add to it. Alright, it come up when it's too big. So what you can do, just pull it across until you see the little box here, and you make it smaller by holding down your left click. When it changes, when the arrow changes to that, then you make it smaller and smaller until it is the right size that you want it to be. Alright, you can put it anywhere you want to put it. Alright, and you can even make it a little bit more exciting by adding more photos, okay, that you want to add. Alright, so you want to make your thumbnail, you want to make the words easy to understand. So this one is for arrangement. This is the icon here, is the arrangement icon, and this one is to add text with the T. So you want to add text, so press that and you click add text, okay. Then it comes in white. So you say, you go over here and you type what you want to type. So this is my YouTube, so YouTube thumbnail class. Okay, and you can bring down a thumbnail, so YouTube thumbnail class. And in order to change the color, you just come here, color. I probably want to make it black. Alright, or probably, and you can always change the shadow. So you can say turn on shadow and say you want to put on some green shadow. Okay, increase the opacity, and you can blurry if you don't. Okay, you can change the size. That's too big. Okay, so you just take some time and you make it look nice. You can make it bold, make it a little bit bigger so that it is clear on the screen. So when the user see it from afar, they can know what it is. Okay, it's big and nice. Okay, and that can be your thumbnail. Do you want to add a new text? No, we don't want to add a new text. So you go back to your arrangement view. Okay, and you can move it around where you want to put it. You can move around your characters. And if you don't want this, what you don't want to be on top, or if you want it to go back, so this here over here represents what is on top of each other. So I am on top of the white background, the money is on top of me, so it literally means that if you want the money to go behind, then you can just pull it down and it goes behind. Okay, you can pull it across, pull it back down. Alright, and if you want to add anything else, you can add something else. Okay, alright, and that's your thumbnail. Well, you can make it far more exciting than this if you so desire, and you can add more elements if you so desire. Okay, and you just go to save. I normally save mine as PNG. Okay, it's 1920 by 1080p, and you download it, and that's your thumbnail saved. And Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this was helpful. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Remember that the likes and the subscribing helps my video to move up the rank. So I'm asking you, if you like the video, remember to not to hesitate but to click the like button. Remember that there are links in the description below, so you can check those out as well. And all the best.